you see any stuff around my lips, it's from, let me get it out, it's in my pocket, my Blistex. I look like a freaking crazy person, but I don't care. Gemma just woke up from her nap. We are at my parents' house, and we're gonna be going to the park next to my parents' house, take Gemma, and then we're having Chicken George for dinner, go home, and if we leave here at a decent time after dinner, we're gonna go home, and Josh is home, so we will probably go on a walk since we didn't get to yesterday because he was gone, and we were supposed to go on a walk yesterday, but we didn't get to. So maybe we'll go on a walk today, our evening walk, I don't know. Someone got stuck in the grass while pushing her car. Oh, I guess I'll get in it. See if I can get out of the stitch. Oh, I can't get out. Help, please. Someone come help me get out of the ditch. I can't get out. Grandpa would say call 911. Gemma! Oh, sorry. She just said bad. I'm always bad. Need any help?
She's got road rage.
No. She has road rage all the time, then. You need to call your insurance company? Okay. I'm bad? Why? What'd I do?
No.
You ready to go to the park?
Go park?
I fix your hair?
No, we're there.
Ask Audrey.
We're off to the park.
Stay. Stay, Sky.
Let's go. Sky, stay. We made it. We're here. You want to get on? Ready? Ooh. What is it? Yeah? Whoa. You want to get on it? Woohoo!
There.
Hang on, girly.
You ready?
Whee!
There she goes.
Where she stops, nobody knows.
Wee-haw.
Wee-haw!
Ow, hey. I'm gonna get you. Ah. Get you. Wah. That is. Ow. Ow. Get Grandma's hand. No.
Someone's ready to eat some Chicken George for dinner again. With your Paw Patrol.
No way.
I don't think this is going to be really a Gemma vlog because she's just in a very bad mood and keeps yelling at me no matter what I do. So it's just going to be a me vlog today and not a her vlog because she's way too sassy and way too mean to me. As she eats her ketchup. Nummy ketchup. You see that look? Yeah. The look of hate. Let's get in your car. There you go. Get in. That killed me. I did not get on the car correctly. That hurt. You ready? What? Ready?
Beep beep.
Down the hill. Ready?
Ready.
Alright.
1, 2.
Hold on. Let's try and go. Watch out, Joey! Woo!
Go that way.
Ugh. And Josh is building a different swing set for her. What I was telling you earlier is those fence posts. He's making those into a... Oh, I take off the lid? Here you go. He's making that into a swing set now instead of what he originally made. All right, we're going on a bike ride. Say bike ride?
Oh, hey, can I put wheels on this? We can take this for a ride.
No. Bike ride. You ready?
Oh, you
Ready. Let's go. I got my brother's bike that I'm using. Say, let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Kids nowadays will never know what this place is. Well, they'll never know. Lawrence Park swimming pool, where me and my brothers always went every summer with our mom. Aww. And the inside is like the same. See, that's where we would go in. The girls' restrooms were on the left, the boys were on the right. Yeah, this is where Daddy went swimming. I don't know if your mom did, but that's where Daddy went swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, way. She keeps saying, no way. No way.
Whoa, here, pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, you did it. Ready? Throw it. Help me throw it. 1, 2, throw it. Poof. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this big one. Wow. Oh.
Whoa.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Throw it.
They're heavy?
Do
Try again. Try again.
Ready? Let's both do it.
Pick it up.
Help me. Oh, you got it. You got it. Ready? You want to throw it? Help me throw it. 1, 2, 3. Oof. Whoa. You did it. High five. Another one?
Alright, you guys. Gemma is down for the night. And I decided that I'd show you what we got from Walmart. Ugh, if I can get it out of the bag. I got some spray sunblock. 100. Because 50 is not as good as 100 for her. And then I also got her some swim diapers. And then I also got her some arm floaties. These are soft fabric arm floats. They're not the rubber ones, they're cloth ones, so those ones will probably feel and work better for her. I don't know. They'll probably be easier to put on too. Who knows? Ooh. Oh, wow.
That looks awesome.
That looks really, really good, babe.
I know.
You did a good job. Sweet.
That'll be a lot better, and then we can take that with us.
Yeah, when we move.
Yeah, I already got plans for the big one. It's gonna be sweet.
What?
The big one I'm gonna make in our other house.
Oh.
It's gonna be long. I'm gonna build that little.
Here, sit on it.
Hold on. It's gonna have a little bench here where you eat first. You open the little door and then you get in, and people sit right here, you know, and like this. You close the door, and it's got that where you can two people swing.
Okay, sit on it. Ooh. That's so cool. That's perfect. Alright, well, you ready to go in because I'm tired.
No, that's fine. Look at it.
You did good.
You get your phone?
No. On that note, I will end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.